Hi, so I have decided to do a video a day while we drive up to Alaska. So this is going to be sort of an experiment to see if I can actually do this and keep up with it. But just got a new camera. This is actually the first video we're doing with the new camera, so that's kind of fun. This is take 2 for this video, day 1, take 2, because I went outside to do one because it's a lovely day here. And the background noise was too much. So now I've moved inside the RV and I'm going to do this short little video. We are in Okotoks, Alberta, which is just in the outskirts of Calgary. It's like a 15-minute drive to Calgary. And our friends live in High River, Alberta. My friends for, gosh, I should know this, how long. So the Norums, Kevin and Sarah, have been my friends for 33 years. Mike has never met Kevin before, so this was kind of a nice opportunity to see them again. I don't think I've seen them for 20 years. So it's been great to be here. The weather has been beautiful in Calgary. We're excited about driving up to Alaska. Ended up buying a camera because the prices for the camera was better in Canada, which was crazy because nothing else is cheaper in Canada. What else can I tell you? This morning we went for a little bike ride on the river, which was lovely. And tonight we were heading out to pick up my parents at the airport. And then tomorrow we drive up to Banff. We start on the drive to Canada. However, my parents called and said they missed their plane. So the adventure starts already, unbelievably. So tonight we'll be going out to dinner with Kevin and Sarah and say goodbye. And then tomorrow Mike and I will head up to Banff on our own. But I'll still do a video a day for at least the next 2 weeks until we get to Fairbanks. And we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll do longer. So, video 1 down, day 1 down. See you guys tomorrow.